How much time are you spending in front of the computer screen? Are you taking frequent breaks to relax the eye muscles? Well, one local expert is concerned as cases of eye conditions are on the rise. Shimala Pullen has the details in the health report.
Computer vision syndrome or digital eye strain is caused by spending long hours in front of a computer. Consultant ophthalmologist Dr. Donald Cameron Swaby says, as a result, the eye muscles become fatigued. Persons oftentimes complain about eye pain, headaches, sore eyes, and pain in the shoulders and neck. This is relatively common, but since COVID-19, there has been an increase in the number of persons affected by this condition.
Severity is going to depend on, first of all, how many hours you're spending in front of the computer. Also, the other factors, are you young? If you're a young child, it's actually more severe than if you're an adult. Do you have corrective eyewear? If you're not wearing your proper eyewear, the symptoms are going to be more pronounced. Do you have glare from the computer screen? If the screen is very, very bright, you're going to tend to have more symptoms.
Children spending more time in front of the screen, Dr. Cameron Swaby says the long-term effects are worrying.
Increase in short-sightedness in that child. There's also attention deficit hyperactivity syndrome, in which a child can become more hyperactive from spending more in front of the computer. In fact, the American Academy of Pediatrics, they recommend that if a child is under 2 years old, they should not have any screen time apart from Skype, Skyping, etc. They should not be playing games on a computer. And if you're aged from 2 to 5, then it should be no more than 1 hour per day.
If persons are having symptoms, they should visit an eye doctor. The condition can be treated to a certain degree.
There is the 20-20-20 rule, in which they say that for every 20 minutes, you have 20 seconds break, looking at an object that's about 20 feet away.
In addition, if your eyes are feeling sore, eye drops usually helps. With your health report, I'm Shimala Pullen wishing you good health.